What if Jurassic World Evolution 3 added something completely different from dinosaurs? Something fast, aggressive, and absolutely terrifying. Today I want to talk to you about why terror birds, especially Carnican, need to be in Jurassic World Evolution 3. Terror birds are massive, flightless predators that lived after dinosaurs went extinct. Carnican, one of the biggest, standing over 7 feet tall with a gigantic skull built for crushing prey. These are things these things were basically living nightmares. First, they'd bring true variety to the game. We already have dinosaurs, marine reptiles, and flying reptiles. Terror birds would add mammal-era predators that feel totally new. Second, their behavior would be amazing to imagine. Fast sprinting attacks, powerful beak strikes, territory aggression, smaller dinosaurs panicking when one enters their enclosure. That would make the park management way more intense. Terror birds could hunt in short bursts instead of long chases, be extremely aggressive if they escape, require unique enclosures and enrichment, be incompatible with most small, medium, or large dinosaurs. They wouldn't just be another creature, they'd be a challenge. Jurassic World Evolution 3 is all about other dinosaurs and other prehistoric creatures. Terror birds are the next step. If you agree, drop a like, subscribe, comment if you want terror birds in Jurassic World Evolution 3. And I'll see you in the next video.